Hi, we're Team 10 and our project is named Zero Fric. It's about friction, but before we explain our project, what is friction? Well, friction is a force that opposes motion, but this means that it slows the things and stuff like that.
Okay. Our project is based on the three Newton laws in the uniform motion and with the friction.
Well, first thing we need to talk about the materials of our project. We can see the keypad LCD or Arduino, that is Heligo 1 or 3, X axis, linear axis, yes, is the name of this. Ultrasonic sensor or solenoid. The relay target with the target is a multiple relay, but we only use one. We have a supply energy, how is Clavica?
Power source.
Power source, power source. Or cables, point cables that give the information from that give the action or the values of the Arduino to the relay that permits close the circuit, and or box or max with a value 0. There is no value 0, but we can variable the value, open the box and putting in mass. The function of that is measure the position, the velocity of the object when we apply a force, with the premise of friction friction will reduce the proper velocity. In our case, in Arduino, we have a multiple states where we only use one. In our experiment, we use the run selection and the put of searching and close to 60 newtons.
60 Newton.
60 newtons is applied to the box. Give me velocity, well, that is position, and as if we can say we have two modes, config and run. Run is the mode that start the test. Config will just calibrate the values of time that we use to or in or test. An example, T on is time that relay is on. T off is time that apart to the T on is running the test. Sampling is a time that how much we can take the samples, and calibrate will help us to calibrate the position of the object. That is correct. I will select save, and if we want, and the object is launched. Well, this is the function of the prototype.
Okay, we did some practice, theoretical and practical tests. With the proofs that we have, we can conclude that the project has a 87% of yield percent as the theoretical. So it's a good number. That means we reduce the friction and wait.
That is everything about taking a break. Have a nice day.